welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a hair install, dye, style. It's going to be a whole project, and I am going to be using this wig from Yolissa Hair. This is their this is their color 30 with 27 highlights. It is a 13x4 lace wig, really full and soft, and the hair is really good quality, I must say, because you know this wig hair color is pretty popular now, but this is one of the better quality ones that you will get. So I'm actually going to dye my wig red. I'm going to be using this Adore shade in Crimson, and I may be using this Superdrug Pick and Mix color in the shade Red Velvet. This is permanent and this is semi-permanent. So let's see how I feel. If I feel like you know, applying, then I will, or I may just do a hot watercolor with this one, which I'm kind of leaning towards, I'm not gonna lie to you. So let's hot watercolor this and then see what shade of red we get, and then if it's too light or it's not deep enough, I will apply this over it in the sink. So let's get straight into the video. Thank you so much to Yolissa Hair for sponsoring today's video. So I've got my bowl of hot water here, and I'm going to take my Crimson and just put it all in. Let me put my gloves on. So here she is. Just put her down here, and I'm just gonna stir it around just to get everything mixed in. So you're just gonna take your wig and just literally dunk it inside. Always try to be mindful of the lace. And I always like to really push it in just to make sure it's really absorbed all the color it can absorb, just like so. This is how it's come out. This shade of red here, you guys can see it's pretty bright. So I'm going to add a bottle of Burgundy Envy just to deepen it up a little bit. And then we're gonna dunk her in. And here is how it looks afterwards. Yeah, I prefer this type of shade, and I will have a lot of dimension because the hair had quite a few highlights, so it's a win-win. Ta-da! We're back. It's giving. It's the dimension for me. I love how it came out. It looks so good. So let's get into customizing, you know, all that stuff, because I started tweezing already, but I definitely need to tweeze a little bit more around my ears, and then do a zigzag motion. And get a generous amount on there, just pat it in, and we're gonna stick this down. I'm going to decide if I want a middle part, side part, though I may do a middle parting, because last time I had red hair, I think I did a side part. Should I do middle? What do you guys think? Middle, side, middle? I think I'm gonna do middle. And once you've cut your edges, I'm gonna spray my hairline with Got To Be, and then put my elastic band on, then I'm gonna straighten my hair. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm actually going to straighten my hair. First, I'm gonna use this Kerastase Elixir. I don't know, everything is in French, so. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I'm really happy with how the color came out. I think it's super flattering for autumn, winter, and yeah, it's a little bit different for me, isn't it? Let me just stand up so you guys can see the ends. They look like this, so they're very healthy. They look pretty good. And that's all. Thank you so much to Yolissa Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you all in the next one. Love you long time. Bye bye.